Hey, my friend, how are you doing? I trust that you're having an excellent day. My name is Rhonda Kay, and I'm just so excited that you are here. Mainly, I've been talking to individuals who work full-time and you want to make money online. This is an avenue that you've been looking into, and I want to talk to you about earning your first $100. If that is you've never earned anything online. And the email marketing system that I use, they are offering a free course where they're going to take you through on how to earn your first $100. This is very, very instrumental because you're going to hear a lot about how you can make a lot of money. You can be financially free, earn your first 500, your first 1,000, your first 2,000, your first 10,000, be your own bank. There's a lot of different trigger words that you're going to hear, but there is some skills that go into you doing that. There are some beginning stages that are not very difficult to learn, but there are some beginning things that you need to do. And sometimes when people are telling you how much money you can make, they skip over the basic fundamentals on the who, what, where, when, why, how, which are things that we learned. Those are questions that we learned to ask as we were going through kindergarten through 12th grade, as we were going through college, or even if you didn't go those routes, we're always taught to ask questions. Who, what, when, where, why, how. Yes? And I also know that it's about you because you're asking that question, what's in it for me? So I want you to earn your first $100, but I want you to know the who, what, answer all those questions for you. So in the video description, there's a link where you can create a free account to this email system. It's free. They do not charge you for up to 500 of subscribers. So you have 100 subscribers, 200 subscribers, 300, 400, 499 subscribers. They won't charge you. It can be free. But you create a free account so you can get access to the free email marketing course that they have. And they're taking you through on how to earn your first $100. Also, in the video description, I have a course. It's an ebook course that is tied to a cash generating system. Now, that ebook course is not free, like the one I just mentioned. However, it will share with you the beginning steps that you need to take to start making money online. And every time you resell that, or every time you refer this ebook and cash system, it's a learn and earn system, to people, you'll earn $100. Yes and yes. So I wanted to tell you about those two different things, but I think it's really important for you to know the foundational steps that you need to take to start making money online. Because most people think, oh, you just buy the business opportunity and then they just throw you out there. They tell you to write a list of family and friends, depending on what type of business model you have. And it doesn't really work that way. It's not as smooth. But when you go this route, having a system, having the basic foundational steps that you need to take, it will be much smoother for you. Yes, and you will be equipped with the knowledge and the education and the skill set that it takes to make your first $100 online. All right. So click the links in the video description and I will see you in your email. Many blessings.